Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import logos from apps into your Canva design. Sometimes when you want to design, you may not get the logos of apps in Canva. So open your Canva app, click on this plus button if you want. I'm just going to, choose a social media design and just choose anyone. There's no specific, size that is fit or not fit. I just want to show you how you can import logos that are not available on Canva logo library. So I've opened this design. Let's assume I want to add maybe WhatsApp icon or Gmail icon or Instagram icon. I'll go to elements in my Canva. If you go to elements, you type on the search bar the icon that you're looking for. Let me just say WhatsApp icon, or so when I made this design, WhatsApp, this particular WhatsApp icon that I'm using, like this one now that is here, is free. Can see it's very clear. It was not available on Canva library, but you know that they update it every day. So assuming I did not see this and I want to use WhatsApp icon, what will I do? Or even an icon for any other app that I want to use. What am I going to do? This is what I will do. I'll go to my Play Store, either Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, whichever you're using. Just open it, go to the search bar, type that particular app, because all legitimate apps are available on the Play Store. Search for it, then tap on the app icon. When you tap on the app icon, tap on it again as it's open here. So just do a screenshot. Like for me, I'll just swipe and there is a screenshot icon on this thing on my phone. I also attach a video on how to do screenshot, different and easy ways to do screenshot on this particular video, so you know how to do screenshot without going off and on. So I also check for Canva. When it opens, just click on the Canva icon as shown, just tap it, it's going to open like this. Then you screenshot it, click on screenshot and screenshot it. Or if you have all this swiping screenshot feature, you can use it on your phone. So I'm going to go back to that Canva design that I was doing before going to get the app logo. You can also get the app logo before making your designs. So go to gallery. As it's open, just click on your gallery. So when your gallery opens, those screenshots will be in the recent image. Just touch them and click on add to page. When you click on add to page, the two images are going to be imported into this design. You can see they're already here. So there's so many things you can do. You can just crop and use. Alternatively, you can just just go to elements. When you go to elements, then you search for frames. You search for frames. They have circle frames, they have rectangular frames, they have different kinds of frames. So just touch it. It's just one tap. Once you tap it, you don't need to continue tapping it like that this thing is showing. Just tap it and bring it. So you can first of all crop the image you imported earlier from your gallery. That's a screenshot, like you can see I'm doing. I'll crop it. Once I crop it, I will then put it in the frame. Why I'm putting it in a frame is that so it will have a perfect shape. So you can use the circle frame. So I'll increase it a bit and move it. You can see it has fitted perfectly into the circle shape. I can also click on undo button and try to use another shape. See the undo button up there, then it will come out. I'll still use this other shape. You can see it has perfectly fitted into this shape. So I'll also do the same for the Canva this thing. Then I wanted to add another shape which is still rectangle but has a smooth curve at the edges. So you can do that. So you can see the three shapes. So another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on the Canva logo too, but I'll just delete all these other things that are here so that you see what I'm doing very well. You can see the one I imported, you can see the one they have is almost the same thing, just that theirs looks a bit lighter, but if you don't have this thing, or if you can't see the app logo of any app you want to use, you don't need to stress yourself and say, oh, I can't find the app logo. This is just a very simple way to import those logos. So apart from cropping it, I'm also going to show you using logos like Gmail, because when you go to Canva library to search for Gmail icon, we have different emails. You will see this envelope signs that will show for email, but there are some specific things that you want to do, and you want that particular brand, like you're using it for something, not that you just want to use any email, you get. So I'm going to show you. You can see how I've gotten this Canva logo without stressing myself, without looking for, oh, do I have to have Canva Pro account, do I have to have Canva free account? Because sometimes, even if you search this logo library, you notice that most of these logos, the real ones are pro. You have to have pro account to use them. So look at Facebook. There's a Facebook icon. I will leave it. Search for Instagram icon. Now this is what we have. You can see different things they call Instagram icon. The only one that really looks like it is that one that is doesn't even have background. So I'm going to go back, screenshot again the Instagram icon on my phone using your Google Play Store. The same thing for Gmail. I've already shown you how to do it from the beginning. Open the Play Store, then I'll now go to my gallery to get this thing. But before I go to my gallery to get those images, let's look for Gmail icon on Canva library. You can see there is no Gmail icon. There are email icons here. These things are all email icons, but there is no Gmail, like that particular brand with their logo, their colors and everything. So there is none. So I'm going to go to my gallery. Just go to gallery, because and just find that one, because the ones that is here, it's not making sense. So before I go to my gallery to get those, I will just select the frames I'm going to use for them. These first 3 frames are okay. I'll just select them from the elements place, select them so that I can use them to crop those ones I'm going to bring in the Instagram and the Gmail image that I'm going to get from my gallery. So once I'm ready, go to my gallery like I've shown you using the first 2, WhatsApp and Canva. So when I go to my gallery, it will show me from the screenshots. I'll just select Gmail and this Instagram, click on add to page. Once I add them to page, I'm not going to crop this one. I'll slide them into the, can see I've slid this one, the Instagram, into the frame. So what I can do is tap it, like double tap it, and crop it a bit by expanding the image. So I'm just going to do it in such a way that you can see it's perfect. Now I'll just click on done. Same thing goes to the Gmail. You can reduce it, so you can see that this is the real Instagram icon. Anyone that sees it will know that this is Instagram, although anyone that sees this other one will also know that it's Instagram. But there's nothing like using the real icon when you want to do something, so that once people see it, they can easily understand. So I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, ask your question in the comments. I will attend to them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.